Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make tacos dorados de papa con chorizo. So here are the ingredients. I'm going to need 4 potatoes, 2 pieces of chorizo, 1 pack of tortillas, and for the toppings I'm going to make green sauce. So I have 5 green tomatoes or tomatillos, a piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, and 6 chile de árbol. And also I'm gonna use queso fresco and sour cream and salt. So let's make them. So I'm gonna cut them up 4 pieces, so it's easy for them to boil. Alright, so now I'm gonna boil them. And leave them in high for about 5 minutes. Alright, for the green sauce, we're gonna boil the tomatoes and the peppers. Remember, we don't want them to be yellowish. We want them to keep a little of the green, so the sauce is gonna be green. So our potatoes are done, and I'm gonna remove them from the heat. And now we're gonna do our green sauce. You see, this is how you want your tomatillos. 1 position there. Yes. We're gonna add the cilantro, garlic, onion, and we're gonna add some salt. And we're gonna add about 8 ounces of water. This is there you go. That's how you make the green sauce. Tacos de papa con chorizo. We need to do the chorizo first, and then we're gonna add it to the potatoes. So we had to remove the casing of the chorizo. We had to use high temperature for the chorizo. We don't need to put any oil because the chorizo already has on it. So the next I do is I'm gonna do the smashing like this to the chorizo. So while this cooks, we gotta do the potatoes. We have our potatoes ready. I'm gonna add some salt. And we're gonna smash them. Just like if you're doing mashed potatoes. See how we have potatoes now? So now you're just gonna wait until the chorizo is ready, and we're gonna mix it together to make the tacos. So make sure you stir this up so you can see how it's getting cooked. And if you still have some big pieces, try to smash them to separate them. As you can see, it's ready to go. Just remember, it's gonna finish cooking when we do the tacos. Now I'm gonna mix the potatoes. And there you go, we have the chorizo con papas. All right, our next steps is we gotta start heating the tortillas. We need them warm so we can roll them with the tacos. So I'm gonna heat the tortillas, and I gotta put my oil too to get hot. And this oil gotta be enough to cover the tacos like that. Put it on high for a few minutes. All right, so now we're gonna make our tacos. We already warmed the tortillas, and we're gonna make our tacos. And roll them. There you go. And you gotta keep doing this for the rest of the tortillas. So as you can see, I got 25 tacos. And now the next step, we're gonna put them in the oil and fry them. So I'm gonna put my heat a little low because you can see the smoke coming up. Try to put them really close together so they don't open like this one. And I'm going back again, and I'm gonna put it on number 7. The temperature is gonna be number 7. Not too high, not too low. We don't want them brown or burn. And as soon as you're making room, you gotta put more inside. Alright, see how this one? This one is good to take out. And I'm gonna put in there with a napkin so it can absorb the oil of the napkin. So now that we have our tacos ready, we're gonna dress them up. And I'm gonna put some cream. This is sour cream and Queso Fresco. And now we're gonna add the sauce. You can add as much as you want. There you go. Alright guys, the tacos are really good. The chorizo got cooked really good. So try them and let me know what you think. It also, you can eat them alone or you can add them with soup, pozole, or you can check my video for the pozole recipe.